Kung ito lang ang hangad, ay kakayanin ko kahit alam ko hindi na ako.
Ever since you left me, my dreams have been lost. I don't know where to start, so I can't get up and build my heart broken. And my defeat, having right the wrong and rising again. Keep taking why it did that happen to us. The course get completely disappear. You really let go in our relationship, emotionally heavy. I can't handle it. What you say, it's true. In your love, it's true. Pain and suffering, that's what I got from you. That's how my love, it just is true. The return I want in my heart, and there's nothing left. Love for you, after all, that's what you paid me for. How can I begin? The chapter is over. When our love was running, now it's finally over. Why?
Alam na hanggang dito na lang, at pipilitin kong kalimutan ka at hindi mabibigo, pagkat pag-ibig ko'y sinayang mo. At kung sakali hindi na magtagpo, hindi magbabago. Kung ito lang ang hangad, ay kakayanin ko kahit alam ko hindi na ako.
Paano na kung ngayon wala ka na sa piling ko? Paano ko tatanggapin ang lahat ng mga to? Paano ko lulusutan at maging masaya ang pasaning dinulot mo? Paano ba mawawala? Talagang di ko matanggap ang mga naganap, at di ko nais magpanggap upang ako'y maghanap ng mga kasagutan. Paano to naganap? Sa aking ba tinakda upang ako'y masalak? Napakasakit isiping nangyari ang lahat ng to sa'yo'y lubusan ko namang inalay ng buong buo. Paano ko haharapin ang mundo ng mag-isa? Paano na matutupad ang pangarap na sinimulan? Kasalanan bang mahalin ka at sa'yo ay maging tapat? Kasalanan